Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So in today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my Guyanese liver stew. Today I'll be eating my liver stew with some cream potato. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at cookingwithafton. And all my measurements and ingredients for this dish will be in the description box down below. Alright guys, today's Thursday, and I want you guys to know that Saturday is my birthday. So what I'll do for you guys, I'll upload a video, which is today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for you guys. Alright, so you guys come back every day for the next 4 days and you get a video from me, okay? And if any of my lovely subscribers would like to bless me for my birthday, I will leave in the link down below my Cash App and my PayPal. I would really appreciate it. Alright, thank you guys so much. So let me just show you my ingredients for my liver stew. Enjoy guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is season my chicken liver with some cubes, all my spices, green season, mustard hot sauce, and you're going to mix up all of this seasoning into the chicken liver. Now I'm going to put some oil in my pot and fry up all my onion, garlic, shallots, celery, bell pepper, finely thyme, and ginger. Stir it for a few seconds. Then I'm going to put in my tomatoes, give it a stir. Put that aside. So now I'm going to pour in my chicken liver, my seasoned chicken liver. And then I'm going to mix up all the veggies in the liver and let it cook for a few minutes. Give it a stir. Now we're going to put in some tomato paste, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and give it a stir. And let it cook for a few more minutes, and here you have it guys. So this is the end results for my delicious chicken liver stew. And I'll be eating it with some cream potato. In the middle there I have some melted butter. This is so delicious. So I hope you guys try this recipe, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at cookingwithafton. Thank you guys so much for watching. And like I say in the beginning of the video, it's my birthday on Saturday. So if anyone wants to bless me, I will leave in the description box down below my Cash App and my PayPal. Thank you guys so much. So I'm going to taste my chicken liver stew on camera, let you guys see. So here it is guys. I'm going to eat my liver stew today with some cream potato or mashed potato. So here it goes. So this is my chicken liver here. And my cream potato. This is so good. So I hope you guys definitely try my recipe, and if you're new to my channel, please give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe. And thanks you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.